In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers and dear nature lovers. Very warm welcome to you in Ashraf Botanical Garden. Viewers, today I am mapping another very important, very rare bird in Lahore and its suburban areas. It is called the flame-backed woodpecker. Viewers, you can see in the center this beautiful bird, beautifully colored bird. When it flies, you can see the golden colors on both of its top feathers. Its head is red and right now it is pecking on a jambolan tree. You can see that it is quite conscious, quite cautious as well, and constantly pecking the wood, pecking the bark. You can see this beautiful bird. This bird is called woodpecker or flame-backed woodpecker. Viewers, in previous videos you have already seen tree pie and grey hornbill, and right now you can see this beautiful bird. It also likes the tall trees. It makes its nest by burrowing in the bark. It creates holes, and you can see that this bird is doing its work and also takes its food out of the bark from the grubs of different beetles and different insects. In the sun it is shining. The red color of the head is also, you can see, quite prominent. Here in the center you can see this beautiful bird. Here this bird is distributed throughout India and Pakistan and this region. It is an endemic bird, and you can see, viewers, I can tell you the difference between the endemic and the migratory. Endemic birds are those birds which dwell in the area throughout the year, and the migratory birds are opposite to that. They migrate seasonally in different areas according to the atmosphere, according to the different seasonal variations. Here it is quite engrossed and constantly doing its work. A short while ago, I have also seen a pair of grey owl in the same tree, in the same jambolan tree. So viewers, I'm sure you have enjoyed this beautiful video of nature. Take care of yourself and your loved ones and promote the love of flora and fauna. Allah Almighty keep you happy ever.